welcome back to Favid's channel. In today's video we got Macca's, but special Macca's because we're trying the K-pop sauce thingy.
BTS.
So on our plate here we got nuggets, chips, and then Mum has two double
fish fillet. Yeah.
And then our drinks are 2 Fanta and then 1 chocolate frappe with no cream. Okay, let's go.
Gotta do a prayer.
Yeah.
Let's drink your drink, Fakadi.
Okay.
I got the double burger, the double fish fillet today is because sometimes when they come it's a bit thin for me. So I got a double. Yeah. So I got the fries. We got this on Uber Eats, but it would have been faster had we gone down ourselves. See, that's what happens when you're lazy. So this is the burger, guys. Got 2 fish fillets in there. And a lot of sauce by the looks.
Yeah, this shows fries.
Yeah, don't touch my fries. Macca's fries are one of the best fries out there.
What is the best?
Well, when you say one of the best, it means that's one of many. But I think Macca's is, you know. And then I like the beer fries, the flat ones.
Have you tried the sauce yet, Mum?
What sauce? Leo, what is it? Cajun. Is it hot?
No.
Yeah, I had other food in plan for the mukbang. But my daughters wanted to have this. And
actually, we had a whole other plan. Janelle wasn't meant to be in something. Yeah, but it was a last minute thing.
Yeah, I thought I'll get my baby in it because once I was telling Shalora what to order, you know, like Macca's, guess who come running out of her room? This one here.
I never come out of my room, so.
Yeah. She tries and hide in her room, but
We
when
got
she
the
hears
cake
Macca's,
And sweet. Oh. I like this one better. The sweet chili one. I like the sweet chili one better than the cake one. The cake one's good, but it tastes weird.
So which one,
It's okay though.
which sauce were you guys going on and on about?
These two.
Oh,
Wait, this isn't
what's it called?
The Cajun. We already have like 5 open.
Okay.
Yeah, I want the pink one.
I'll try it.
Ew, what
So which
is-
one's the best one?
I like the pink
Well, this
one.
is a mustard.
The
It's
sweet
like
chili one.
I
There's
don't know
mustard, eh?
what Cajun is.
Okay, let me taste it. Here, guys.
Why do we got 4 chips?
Oh, we got like 4 meals.
True.
Yeah, it's just like mustard. Hot mustard. So,
I
what about the other
I
one?
like this one.
Oh,
Which one? Yeah, I like the chili
I
one.
better
too.
try it.
This is the Cajun's okay.
I'm bring it sweet chili.
We waited like a whole hour for our food.
Yeah, it's nice.
Which one's better?
That,
Sweet chili.
oh, it's only sweet chili. So you guys are making a big deal out of sweet chili. Well, there's a bit of a wait for this food because I think there's a lot of people going to buy their lunch. We have a family meeting today, but look how nice that burger looks. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, we have a family meeting today. I heard it was 5 o'clock, so that's why I tried to get this. And I just happened to go on the family page, and I see it's 2 o'clock. And it's now almost 3 o'clock. Hey, I didn't go on Facebook all day yesterday. Oh, well, just in the beginning of the day.
Who's having a family? Her family.
Family.
Oh, your family.
I'm tipping this out, okay?
Pretty spicy.
Their favourite is always the sweet and sour sauce. And the sweet chili is quite nice. I thought there was a whole lot of flavour. A whole lot of different flavour, but it's like mustard.
I like the circle ones better
Yeah, that's the
than the
best shape.
shape. Did you guys know there's shapes to nuggets at Macca's? There's like boo.
Okay, cheers guys. Got Fanta here. Yummy, dummy, dummy. Yum.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have the Cajun anymore. Tastes weird.
I remember when Macca's first came out to New Zealand. I was in intermediate school then. And then they brought it out and they were selling it for 75 cents for just a normal burger. And I don't know how much was the cheese. It was a bit more. But I used to ask my mother for $1 so I can get me a Macca's. And then the 15 cents would be for my ice block.
Brother, this is your first mukbang.
Yeah. Special occasion.
And you know what was cunning? How they did it? Cunning and clever. They brought it out to the school once they brought it into the country.
There's no more nuggets left. And
Yeah.
the video's only been going for 10 minutes.
Because these are like,
My daughter's favourite burger is... What's your favourite burger?
me.
Macca's.
My favourite is a cheeseburger
Mm-hmm.
with just meat and cheese. 2 slices of cheese.
And 2 meat.
No. 1 patty, 2 cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't get sauce and that type of, like the pickles, onion.
What about you?
Mine's chicken and cheese. But I think chicken and cheese is only in Australia. From what?
Are they?
Because I've never seen it in an American mukbang.
Maybe they call it something else.
What's in a chicken and cheese? Chicken and cheese.
And mayo.
And mayo.
I remember when I was a teenager, I had this friend. Now, he would say, he's gonna order us McDonald's. So, and I always asked him, so if he said, what do you want me to order you? I'll go, fillet fish. And he goes, why don't you get Big Mac? You get more. And I go, no, I just want fillet fish. And he used to get angry that I'm picking, he's picking, he used to get angry because I'm picking something that I wanted. He did it a couple of times. So after that, I thought, I don't want to be around with this guy. I'm not free to do what I want. I'm not free to, get what I want to eat. Fish. But, when you don't want a Big Mac, you want what you want. But anyway, he did that. So I didn't want to see him anymore because it was like he was restricting me from doing what I want to do. And that's not fair. I mean, if we're going to be in a relationship, make sure it's fair.
Anyways, Mum said that she's going to teach us some Sa. Right, Mum?
We waited a bit too long for this this food. It just sort of made me think about other things. Hunger. I'm one of them. Yeah, okay. I'll tell you guys. I'll ask you. Do you guys remember your Samoan words I gave you last time? What's your one?
San means wow.
And your one?
Wait, what?
What was your Samoan word that I gave you last time?
Light. Remember?
Like,
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, what Samoan word was it?
I don't remember.
You said it before we did the video.
Onion.
I don't know how to say it, that's what I'm saying.
Onion is...
Onion, something like
Oh
that.
yeah, onion.
See, I know her word. That's both of our words.
But you're light. Your Samoan word for light. I heard you say it.
I don't know how to say it.
Oh,
Morley.
No.
Yeah, that's
Is that how you say that? Is that actually how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
How do you say dry in Samoan?
Okay. Follow jokes.
Wait, what?
See, that was a dry
What?
joke.
How do you say dry in Samoan?
Cholo is jokes. No. It's mango.
Oh, that's what the boys say.
What?
That's what the boys say around the school.
Right.
Whatever that word is.
What mango?
Yeah, they scream around the school that. They go around school screaming that.
They ate so fast. Now look at them. Their trainers. Mine, full steam ahead. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I kind of wish that I got like a Fanta or something.
I'm cold. What are you laughing about?
You got. I don't know these kids. I can't figure them out. It's cold, but they wear shorts.
Brother, I got tracksuit pants on right now.
It's cold, but she wears no jumper.
I wore
Me?
long sleeve.
I got long sleeve brains.
It's really opposite with us, you know?
Summer, we walk
wear
around
tracksuit
in
pants.
hoodies and tracksuit pants.
And then
Winter,
winter,
we walk around in singlets and shorts.
it's just how it is.
Weird. And then they sit around. Cold. They let me put on my shorts.
Oh, your hands are freezing. You're freezing, man. You're freezing.
Don't touch her with your cold hands.
I know.
My hands aren't even that cold.
Don't touch me, you're cold.
It's like when they go somewhere, I go get a jacket. No, I'll be alright. Come back wearing someone's jacket. Why?
No,
Got cold?
I don't wear anybody's jacket.
No, that one there.
Do you wear someone's jacket?
Whose jacket?
That's what I'm saying.
Actually, yeah, I stay around jacket.
I don't wear anyone's jacket. I just sit there and freeze.
I'm anemic, that's why.
I'm really finishing this. I'm quite proud of myself.
What
Oh yeah.
You ate two.
I just want to mention something. Someone came on my last video, my last mukbang video, not the when I made the sauce, and they said, "Why do I have to always eat unhealthy food? Why can't I try and eat healthy food and stuff like that?" And this is when I was in the car. I was reading it, so I couldn't reply to these people because when I reply, I like to be peaceful, calm, you know. And there's no moving around the car, China. So I thought, I'll reply to this person. But then when I looked underneath that person's comment, there was someone named Filippo that came and attacked that person's comment and said, you know, how rude of you and all that sort of stuff. So, excuse me. Ooh, burp. Anyway. So I wanted to come home and comment to that person, but
You get a whole video dedicated to your comment.
yeah. So but by the time I got home, the comment got deleted, so I couldn't reply.
So what's your reply, Mum?
Listen,
Now listen here, you. I wanted to tell that person that this is a mukbang channel, and I'm not really a fan of like really salad stuff, and that would be considered as healthy, right? Yeah. So I don't know. And plus, this is the mukbang, guys. This is your time to show what people want to see, and he's right anyway. He or she is right about that. I do eat like food that's not healthy for me.
Yeah, but you can if you want.
Well,
do they eat salads every day?
Yeah, so...
Do you eat salads every day?
Look at us attacking them. No, No, but she can. If she wants to come on here and eat unhealthy food, let her.
She's getting
I'm trying to reply to the girls. Anyway, so the person is right. I felt that he or she is right. But this is like a channel that will bring out any food that, you know, that I can show and what I want to eat on a day. And salad is not one of them, guys. I know it's weird because when I was in my teenage years, salad was the best, the bomb. And now
I hate vegetables.
it's not a lot. I can have it here and there with my steak. Ooh, yeah, but I can't really enjoy it. You know, like I don't know, my taste buds. Are you two all right? And I'm sorry, I'm trying to talk. Is that one over there?
We're not even doing anything.
Just trying to get the sauce off my jumper.
Yeah.
I thought you were trying to lift up the top or something.
Lifers.
Because what are we? Mum, you're not
Such a hater.
Yeah, we're one of the cool kids.
Yeah.
That's what the cool kids say nowadays.
I'm trying to comment. Oh, here's.
Oh, you still talking about like?
Forgot about it.
Yeah, well, anyway, guys. So, to that person's comment, I don't even know. Then I ended up with one thumb down, right? And I thought, he must have thumbed my video down and then say what he wanted to say. Come on, guys. If you want to watch a healthy mukbang, there must be videos out there that will show you healthy food. But as for me, I want to eat what I want to eat and enjoy what I want to eat. So, not to be rude, but there are other channels for you guys that, you know, don't like unhealthy food. Some foods are healthy, okay? As long as I'm maonga, I'm full when I'm finished, yeah, that's all that matters. But yeah, guys, he was right. I'm not saying he was wrong.
If that person meant it in like a why are you eating unhealthy, then. But if that person was just being curious, like, oh, why don't you? Then it's because she just doesn't like. It's not that she doesn't like it. It's just that she'll prefer this type of thing. But if that person meant it like a why don't you eat healthy food, she doesn't have to, babes. She really doesn't. And keep.
I'm going to tell them a new Samoan word today.
Okay. I thought we'll finish with that. I don't know.
No, I asked what's the last one. What this one should be easy, so I don't know which one wants the easy one. Who wants the easy one? Okay. So let's do the first. What's me I?
Oh, what?
Food.
No, you don't jump in like that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah! Don't jump in like that. Uber Eats. Oh my god.
Uber Eats is texting me.
Why did you do that?
Why did
Sorry.
you do that?
Stop. You're not making it any better.
And you didn't know what me I is.
Can you put this in? Leave this in.
No. I'm
Why
not
did you
happy.
jump in?
Leave it in. It'll be funny.
What?
Content.
No.
Trying to get views. Favorite screaming at her kids.
I will.
Hey, come on, babes.
I gave Talofa a word in Samoan, and this one over here, this little hero over here, barked up and said the word, and that one didn't know what the word was. So now me and Talofa's going to sing her the song.
Sing the song.
When the hero comes along.
And her name is...
What's my name?
What's my name? Anyway, so I'm going to give you a word. You better know it because
Okay,
you want to be a little hero.
Make sure it's like something I would know, not like
So I'm going to ask this one a Samoan word. And because she was a hero on Talofa's word, she better get it right. Otherwise, so I'm going to fussy for. Okay. What is ipu? That's very easy.
Have you ever said it to me, like in a sentence? No, exactly. How am I meant to
Well,
know?
why you open up your mouth when I'm
Mom,
asking
I ask a lot of people for food. That's why I know the word. Coming at me like...
You ask a lot of people, like what?
Yeah, when I'm
Like your friends at school?
No, when I'm just like, you got me, you know?
Look how she needs food. Ipu.
People? People.
Ipu.
Pen.
Okay,
That's
what
the
about
word,
this
yeah.
one? Ipuki.
Kaki?
Ipu.
Sounds like people.
Go and get me a ipu.
Shirt, blanket.
Go get me
Ipu.
paper.
Does ipu sound like paper?
Phone.
People. Sounds like ipu. Whatever you're trying to
Okay,
say.
no, it's not. It's a cup. Go get me a ipu. And ipuki is teacup. Anyway. So now Chalora's turn.
Yeah.
Chalora, your one is filet. Filet.
Plate.
No.
Mate.
No.
You think I said ipu cup to her. It's a plate and they say
Yeah.
filet.
Fork. Is it like a kitchen
Cutlery.
thing?
Like kitchen.
Yeah, it's a kitchen thing.
Yeah, pot. Pan.
Yeah, frying pan.
Yeah.
Moenga.
Say it in a sentence, please.
Okay. Alu whaere moenga.
No, like an English one. Whoa. Like an English one. Like,
It will give it away too fast. Okay, go and make the moenga.
bed.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh, I was
See?
thinking of like go make
Moenga is bed.
the dinner. Go make.
Filet is frying pan. Ipu is
Car, phone.
Cup.
Cup.
A phone.
I was asking her. You don't even know your own words. What was your word?
Cup.
Pen.
Pan.
Yeah, I like, yeah. Oh. Oh, yes, your word. Okay. Okay, last one. Kangam, yeah.
Yep, car. Is it even legal?
Kangam, yeah.
Sunsets.
Geneva has a lot of kangam, yeah.
Clothes.
In a way. Kangam, yeah.
Is it a piece of clothing?
Yes.
Pants.
No.
Laundry.
No.
Yeah, I do have a lot of
Kangam, yeah. What did you say? Laundry. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, I have a lot of
Washing.
laundry.
Washing. This one's got a lot of washing. Now, guys, listen to this. I do my own washing. Me and my mama, I get them to fold my washing when I'm not in the mood, but they have to do their own washing. See? Teaching them domestic work.
No, I've been doing my own washing for like 3-4 years.
I started like last year. I did
Yeah.
before.
Still, make them do their own washing. But you know what was the worst thing? Is socks. Well, anyway, as you can see, guys, I ate all my burgers. Are you guys proud of me? No. They left that comment. He ain't proud of me. He's going, yeah, look at her. She had told her she's healthy. She's going to get you two. Yeah, I know. See, I was hungry. So anyway, guys, so the food was nice as usual. Yeah, not when the fries come cold though, eh? The worst thing you can have is cold McDonald's fries. Even when you try and like put it back in the oil or try and cook it again, it still doesn't come out as when it comes fresh out of the oil, you know, and Macca's. Well, guys, this is the last day of Samoa Language Week, so these guys obviously don't know any Samoan words, but I guess it's my fault because I don't teach it, you know. I tried to, but my older kids used to go, no, we don't want to learn nothing. Now they're growing up and they hear people, you know, saying, having two languages and understanding Samoan and that, and then they kind of want to, but sorry. Well, the school is closed. Okay, so tell me your fellows words that I gave you. Ipo.
Bed. Cup.
And moenga.
Bed.
Yours was,
A frying pan.
what's it called in Samoa?
You didn't give her that.
You told me in Samoan and then I said English.
So anyway, guys, that's our food for today, our mukbang for today. And I want to say all the best to the one that owns their comment. Sorry if I eat these unhealthy food because it is what it is. Bawa, you know. And thank you all for, you know. Anyway, so thanks for hanging out with me and Geneva. Geneva, your Lord. I look over, Geneva's just smiling away. Okay. Geneva, stop it. Okay, thanks guys for hanging out with Chalora and Geneva here. See you guys next time. Just going to put everything away, or they're going to put everything away. And then I'm going to go and wait and see if my sister's going to come pick me up for the meeting. And I'll see you guys later. Take care, look after one another, and fast with foot. Bye!